Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to install apps into your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. So the very first thing you need to do is to look for the particular apps that you would like to install into your Google Smart TV. You can simply bring out your remote and come down below right here. Your apps right here, you can swipe this way, continue to navigate until you get to the actual app you want to install right here. If you cannot see anyone from the home page right here, simply go to Add Apps right here. Click on OK on the Add Apps. So it's going to take you right here. Here, there are much more apps right here by category. So simply come down below right here. You can also use search for apps and games, or come to the apps category right here. So under the apps category right here, this allows you to choose the category apps that you want to install into your Google Smart TV. So under the entertainment right here, there are much more apps here. Just click on OK. Then you see all available entertainment apps right here, such as Showmax, Movies, Plex Movies, Netflix, YouTube Kids, etc. and the DSTV Stream. So there is much more apps for entertainment right here that you can simply install on your smart TV. Let's go back to the home page on the apps. So under the music right here, music and audio, video player, tools, etc. There is much more apps right here. So here I'm going to use a productivity app as an example. So I'm going to click on productivity. Here you see a variety of productivity apps that you can simply install on your Android TV. So right here, I'm going to simply install this particular downloader app right here. Click on the app, then this is going to pump up. Then introducing our new downloader app for retrieving various types of digital files from the internet with our user-friendly interface, can easily download desired file. Okay, so these are the things you can do with this particular apps right here. You can navigate to app info. Click on OK, and this will give you detail about the app, the rating about the app, and the category the app belongs to in Google Play Store. You can simply scroll down right here and check on the app screenshot right here, just like what you see, Google screenshot page and another download your file with lightning speed. So these are app interface right here. You can scroll down right here and check on the rating about people that have been using this particular app right here. These are ratings right here. So if you are satisfied with the app, just go ahead and click on install right here. So in a few seconds, you can see the app started to download. Just like what you see right here, the app has been successfully installed. Next thing you can do right here is to simply click on open. Then here, terms of agreement. I have read and accept the agreement. Click on OK. Then right here, scroll and read the detail right here. Click on agree. Then you have it right here. So right here, unlock unlimited access. So this depends on the features you want as far as the app is concerned. You can see this contains purchase app. So what I'm going to do so we can simply click on this particular button right here and close this particular pop-up right here. Now we are here. This is the app right here. The home page here, you can just copy and paste any URL right here. Download whatever you want to download from this particular section. Use their browser sections right here. This is where you see some of your files, your favorite settings about the apps. Click on the settings right here and see some of the stuff you can actually set from the section right here. Now, when you go back to your home page, you'll be able to see the apps in your list of the app right here, just like what you see right here. So let me take you to the apps. So from the home page right here, if I come down below right here and I continue to navigate from all my apps right here, then you have the apps right here. You can click on OK again, it takes you back right here. Click on go back, you get back to the home page. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.